Hey guys, Timmy D with DroneMappingTools.com, and I'm here on the last day of the Commercial UAV Expo here in Las Vegas for the 2023 show. And I am here with William Butler with BNC Finance, and we are very proud to partner with BNC to now offer equipment and sensor financing. So he's going to tell us a little bit about the process and just educate you guys on the process, what they cover, and the benefits. So William, to start out with, let's talk about what you guys actually finance and the equipment and stuff like that.
Perfect. So nice to meet everyone. We finance everything from the drone itself to the sensors to the software. We can also wrap in soft costs. So if there's some sort of training or delivery requirements, we can do that as well. So we are able to wrap all of that financing into one payment, either a lease or finance structure. So if someone's looking at a drone with a sensor, with the software, we can wrap all that into one low monthly payment. Our terms go anywhere from 24 to 60-month terms. So we can also do deferred or seasonal payments if that helps your cash flow. So if you have a business that's seasonal or you need to get a little head start on productivity, we can defer those payments to help with your cash flow. When it comes to applying, we'll have the link in this post. It's a basic online application. Anything under 100,000 we can do with just the online application. We're able to finance startups. Those are going to require stronger credit, but we have a wide range of options and funding solutions to help fit your business needs.
Awesome. So now there are, in fact, some tax benefits for doing financing for these purchases. Can you just talk a little bit about what some of those might be?
Yes. So you always want to consult with your accountant or CPA, but there is a tax code 179, which allows you to accelerate the depreciation on any equipment purchases. So a hypothetical example of that would be, let's say you're coming up on the end of the year, maybe you have 100,000 in net income. There's a drone you might want to bring into your business, and say you might be waiting till next year to purchase it, but if you purchase it this year, you can write off or accelerate the depreciation of that purchase price against your taxable income. So if it's a $50,000 drone, you could put it into place this year, then your taxable income would be 50,000 as opposed to the 100. One of the benefits of financing is you're still eligible for that. So with deferred payments, you have the potential of putting a piece of equipment into place without any upfront costs, and then deferring those tax benefits to you.
Oh, very, very good. So look, guys, it doesn't matter if it's just a single sensor. If you are purchasing a sensor and a drone combo, William can take very good care of you. And so we will have links to starting the process on the Drone Mapping Tools website. And then you can also use the link down below to go directly to BNC, the website there, and start the process at that location. So either way, we can take care of you if you just have general questions. Contact me through the link on the website. I will give you William's cell phone number. You can call him and ask him any questions, and he can answer those. So we're here to help. See the link below. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Thank you.